Hello students of class 12, hope you are all doing well. So today in this video we will talk about Human Development Index. Now I have already discussed about the concept of development and growth in class. I hope you remember all those concepts. Now it is related to development. Now we actually know what is development. Development is nothing but we can say that through development is a more broader concept where we can say that a country is having development when a country has a prolonged or sustained increase in its real per capita income, as well as its standard of living, welfare, all are being improved, right? So it is a more broader concept because growth does not cover all those concepts like the well-being, standard of the living, right? So we can say human development is more broader concept. Now we use human development index for measuring the development. Like if we want to know how, for measuring development, if we want to know which country is more economically developed, which country is less economically developed, because economical development, now because development is a more broader concept and it includes not only real per capita income but also the other structural aspects. So it is very difficult to calculate development so through the per capita income only, real per capita income only. So for measuring development we can use a index which is called human development index. Okay, now before going to the topic of human development index, we need to know what is human development. Okay, so only the term human development, what is the term? If I say human development, then human development, okay, human development is nothing but the process of, you can say, the process of widening people's choice. Okay, it's a process of, what is the process of widening people's choice, as well as plus, we can say, as well as plus, or as well as you can say the level of well-being achieved. Okay, the level of well-being achieved. So you can say that traditionally economic development has focused exclusively, you can say, on the expansion of only one choice, and that is income. But the concept of human development has gone far beyond the income and well-being to cover all the human choices, right? That is you can say economical choices, social choices, political choices, all other things. Okay, so the purpose of development is to enlarge human choices. So obtaining income is certainly one of the main means of expanding choices and well-being, you can say, but that is not the whole concept of development, right? So human development actually means that we is a process of widening people's choice and the level of well-being achieved. Okay, so now let me see that human development index, okay, has been an evolving concept. It has been it is a, you can say, strategic element in a new approach to economic development. So human development index has been presented in human development report, where it has been presented in human development report when it has been presented in 1990. Okay, so So Human Development Index has been first presented in Human Development Report in 1990. Now let us understand the concept of human development. Okay, so Human Development Index actually cover a number of, you can say, aspects of human development, cover a number of aspects of human development in, because development is a more broader concept and it includes many parameters, so it measures human development in one composite index. Okay, in one composite index. Okay, so there are some dimensions of human development index through which we measure human development index. So the dimensions of the human development index are, there are three dimensions. Okay, there are three dimensions. In short, we can say human development index as HDI. So what are those three dimensions? A long and healthy life, a long and, you can say, healthy life. Okay, the second is to acquire knowledge, and the third one we can say to have a decent standard of living. Okay, to have a standard of living. Okay, so these are the three dimensions through which we actually measure HDI. Okay, the first one is long and healthy life, the second one is to acquire knowledge, and the third one is to have a decent standard of living. Now this dimension I will discuss in details in the next video. I hope you have understood up to this. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you.